And now we're going to install 3-phase supply cable from the top of the shaft, because the control panel is just behind the wall, all the way down. So that's going to supply control. And so I started to crack on. First of all, I rolled out the cable, dropped it all the way down to the pit, because it had to go in old motorroom where the 3-phase supply is. And it's basically straightforward job. Just keep it nice, neat and tidy, and clip it down a wall with the clips, and at the end connect both ends. cable is in. So you have to connect the 3-phase cable in here. fitted battery and put 220 power as well, so that is 400 volts. So right, the mains cable connected. I'm gonna have to run this cable and connect that battery, which is gonna be on top. So on this end, 3-phase supply, we connect in here. So that is a basement floor. Okay, that is connected, 3 phases. So we'll go upstairs and turn it on, see if it works. Right, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't go kaboom. No, it's on. That is on, that is on, and that one's on. The next step, connect the motor.